In this video, we're going to look at converting metric measurements. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at these 8 examples. Okay. So our metric units for length are kilometers, meters, and centimeters, and this is how you go from a kilometer to a meter. There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer, there's 100 centimeters in a meter, and there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. If we're looking at mass, 1,000 kilograms make a ton, 1,000 grams make a kilogram, and 1,000 milligrams make a gram. It's quite easy there with all the thousands. For capacity, 1,000 mils makes a litre, 10 mils makes a centilitre, and this one's important if you're converting between 1 centimetre cubed is a volume, 1 millilitre is a capacity. So if you ever want to convert from a volume to capacity, you have to remember that 1 mil is 1 centimetre cubed. I would definitely highlight that one for future. Obviously, you need to know the rest of them too, but that's one that's very often forgotten about. If we go into from length and then into area, we're going into squared units. So we've got to square these conversions. So if you have 1 meter, and you know it's 100 centimeters, 1 meter squared would be 100 centimeters squared, which is 100 by 100, which is 10,000. So 1 meter squared is actually 10,000 centimeters squared. You know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, so if you square that, 1 centimeter squared would be 10 millimeters squared. That's 10 by 10, which is 100. So 1 centimeter squared is 100 millimeters squared. I wouldn't memorize all of these and the ones we go on to later on. You just want to memorize how you go about finding the conversions. So if you want to get centimeters squared, you're going to have to square this conversion. If you want centimeters squared for meters squared, you're going to have to square that conversion. Similarly then, if we go down to volume, if we want to work out 1 meter squared, we know 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 1 meter cubed would be 100 centimeters all cubed, which is 100 by 100 by 100, which is 1 million centimeters cubed. If we want to work out how many millimeters cubed makes a centimeter cubed, we know that 10 millimeters make a centimeter, and then we cube that conversion. So 1 centimeter cubed, 10 millimeters all cubed, that's 10 by 10 by 10, which is 1,000. So we'll not use those because we're going to try to memorize the technique. We're going to have this in our head and start off with this here conversion to help us in the other questions. Example 1, change each of these to the units shown. So 2.4 meters in millimeters. Well, I know that there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So if I times that by 100 and get 240, that gets me in centimeters. And then I know there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter, so I've got to times that answer by 10, and I get 2,400 centimeters. Part B, 30,000 centimeters in kilometers. First of all, we'll change it into meters. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. Because we're going to a bigger unit, we have to divide by 100. So that gives us 300 meters. So 30,000 centimeters is 300 meters. You need 1,000 meters to make a kilometer. So if we divide it by 1,000, we see we get 0.3 kilometers. So from A and B, notice if you're going from a large unit to a small unit, the actual number will get bigger. If we're going from a small unit to a big unit, the actual number gets smaller. Okay, obviously the measurements are all the same size, it's just that the units, the value gets bigger because the units change, or smaller because the units change. Okay, 40 milligrams to grams, 1,000 milligrams make a gram. So we've got to divide that by 1,000, and we get 0.04. 75 centiliters in litres. I'd first of all change it into mils, be more confident with that. and I know there's 10 mils make a centiliter, so 75 centiliters is 750 mils. 1,000 mils make a litre, so you're going to have to divide that by 1,000 to see how many litres that is. 0.75 litres. The last one I should have put in grams, by the way. Okay, part E. Here we're changing between centimetres squared and millimetres squared. I would begin with what I know about centimetres and millimetres. 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres. If I square that, I'll get the squared conversion. 1 centimetre squared would be 1 centimetre squared. 10 millimetres all squared would be 10 times 10 millimetres squared. So 1 centimetre squared is actually 100 millimetres squared. So if we've got 5 centimetres squared, we have to times that by 100. So that would be 500 millimetres squared. F, we've got 425,000 centimetres squared, and we've got to put that into metres squared. So first of all, what do we know about centimetres and metres? 1 metre is 100 centimetres. Let's square that. If we square 1, we get 1, and square m, we get m squared. If we square 100, we get 100 times 100, and square centimetre squared, we get centimetre squared. So that means 1 metre squared is actually 100 by 100, which is 10,000 centimetres squared. So you've got to multiply by 10,000, or in this case, we're going from centimetre squared to metre squared, we've got to divide by 10,000. Sometimes to help with the division, it might be better to write it as a fraction, which is what I'm going to do here. 425,000 divided by 10,000, and then I can see the zeros will cancel out 3 times, and we're left with 425 divided by 10, and that would be 42.5 metres squared. Okay, part G, we've got cubic units now. So what do we know about centimetres and millimetres? We know that 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres. If we cube it, 1 cubed is 1, a centimetre cubed is a centimetre cubed. 10 cubed is 10 by 10 by 10, and a millimetre cubed is a millimetre cubed. So 1 centimetre cubed is 1,000 millimetres cubed. We are going from millimetres cubed to centimetres cubed, so we're going to divide by 1,000. So 84 divided by 1,000 is equal to 0.084 centimetres cubed. On part H, we've got metres cubed and centimetres cubed. What do we know about metres and centimetres? We know that 1 metre is 100 centimetres. So we cube that. And then 1 cubed is 1, and a metre cubed is a metre cubed. 100 cubed is 100 by 100 by 100, and centimetres cubed is centimetres cubed. That means that 1 metre cubed is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 1,000,000 centimetres cubed. So if we've got 0.06 metres cubed, we have to times that by 1,000,000 to get what that would be in centimetres cubed. So So 0.06 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That gives 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's in centimeters.